So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So those who are new here, hi, I am Shilpa and this is my channel Bong Beauty Vlog. So yes, today I'm going to share with you my Nykaa haul which I recently brought from this just after opening this lockdown, and my area is in green zone. So yes, the products are delivered so quickly, and yes, let's start with the video. And one more thing, I am currently running a giveaway on my Instagram, so do make sure that you are checking it out. And I run giveaways so frequently, so do follow me on Instagram. And the rules are very easy, that you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to tag 3 friends, and they should also subscribe to my channel, and they should also have to follow my Instagram. That's it. So yes, let's get into the video. So from Nykaa I bought makeup and skincare, both products, and yes, let's start with the skincare product. First of all, this Scent Botanica Nutrivo Pomegranate Radiant Glow Skin Balancing Face Wash. This is the packaging, as you can see. I have already used this, and this face wash is so mild, and the most important thing is it is so amazing. I mean, it smells so good. As you can see, this is the packaging, and if you want a detailed review, make sure you comment down below. I will make a detailed review video. And this is the first product that I bought from Nykaa, and I will link it down below. And I think it is currently out of stock because it is amazing product, and I will link it down below. You will check it out, and if it is in stock, you can definitely try it out. So the next product is this Scent Botanica face mist. Oh my god, I love face mist. And this is also pomegranate variant, as you can see. This as you can see, and it retails for $5.99, but I get it on discount like $4.50 or $4.99, something like this. And I also get it on discount. So yes, I bought these 2 products of Scent Botanica from Nykaa. And the third product is a lip balm. I can't live without a lip balm, and I always try new variants, and I don't to stick particular brand. I also tried the Nykaa one. I also like the Maybelline one, but this time I bought this. This is from TS Cosmetics, and it is in the variant of watermelon and argan oil. And yes, it retails for only 100, and I am shocked. And it is also a tinted lip balm, and I love tinted lip balms. So yes, I will give a review after using this. So and again I bought this. This is of Face Shop. Oh my god, I heard a lot of review of this product, and this is so cute, and it retails for only $6.99. yes, and you will get 2 products in it. The first product is this is a lip sleeping mask from Dear Parker, and it is plum sheet lipo cute. And all of these products delivered to me like 4 to 5 days ago, and I already used it. As you can see, I have used it, and it smells really amazing. And yes, I will give a detailed review after using some more time. And the second product in this pouch, you will get a lip tint. It is from Face Shop, and particularly, I mean separately, this product retails for I think $4.50, and this product separately retails for I think yes $12.90. And you will get this is a great deal, right? Both of these products with a cute little pouch, you will get only $6.99. It's a steal deal. So yes, I have already used this product, and I love lip tints. And this is from Face Shop, and the color is so beautiful. As you can see, it's a cherry red. So yes, That's and another two products. This is makeup products. First one is this. This is of Swiss Beauty Illuminator Guide. Is liquid highlighter and it is gold. I have chosen the gold one. Yes, this is the shade 02 gold, and it retails for 349. I get it like 320 or 330 something, only little discount. But yes, I love using liquid highlighters. If you watch my video, you definitely know this. And one more thing, if you like this look, make sure you check that video I have already uploaded. So yes, and the last product, but not the least, I have brought this. This is a Nykaa Glamour Eyes. This is a eyeliner pencil, and this is really surprised. This retails for I think 350 or 360, something like this, and I get it only on 57. Oh my, only 57, 57. Did you believe it? I also don't believe that until it was delivered to me. As you can see, it is so beautiful. It's a cobalt blue in color, and it's glitter. It's glitter. It's so beautiful, and I love to try this on my eyes. I will make makeup videos with it. So yes, I will use that in my makeup videos. So that's it. That's the whole haul, and I think, and yes, I will definitely link down all of these products on the description box. So make sure you are checking it out. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Why are you not subscribing, right? Please subscribe and like this video. And yes, that's it. Bye bye.